Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee shoulder injury compensation claims. I'm going to be going over whether or not you can claim, if you can claim, and how you can begin the process of claiming, and how much compensation you may expect to receive in total. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Shoulder injuries can happen in a number of different types of accidents, from slips, trips or falls to accidents at work. And if you're suffering from a shoulder injury, you may be wondering whether or not you can claim. The good news is, if your shoulder injury was down to the negligence of others, you may be entitled to compensation. If you're asking, how much compensation will I get for a shoulder injury, and would like to know your shoulder injury claim value, we'll shortly be going over our shoulder impingement compensation amounts. But first, I'm going to look at how you can begin the process of bringing a claim. In order to bring a successful claim, we highly recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with shoulder injury no-win, no-fee claims. The good news for you is that we're happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our shoulder injury compensation calculator to give you a good idea of just how much may be claimed in total, as the amounts that we'll shortly be going over will be for your injuries only, so these figures may only represent a fraction of your total compensation sum. Following this consultation, we'll talk through the accident with you, and if we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees for you to worry about, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, let's take a look at how much compensation you may be able to claim in our shoulder injury no-win, no-fee injury amount table.
So on the table that we have in front of us right now, we can see 4 different severities of shoulder injuries. The top one is severe. So this is for injuries such as severe branchial plexus damage causing full immobility of the shoulder. Claim amounts, you're looking at something between £16,830 right the way up to £42,110. This is just the award for the injury, so this doesn't include anything else. So this doesn't include any loss of income, any medical costs, none of those. So those will be added on top, so the figure may be greater. Then we're looking at serious shoulder injuries, the second box down. This is medium-term injuries such as serious shoulder dislocation causing full immobility of shoulder. You're looking at something between 11,200 right the way up to 16,830. Then on to moderate short-term injuries such as a frozen shoulder injury, looking at anything between 6,920 right the way up to £11,200. Then finally we're on to minor shoulder injuries such as a minor fracture of the clavicle that still leaves the shoulder free to move. You can claim anything up to £6,920.
I'd like to emphasize that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amounts of any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final claim amount may be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.